Hey everyone, welcome back to our fitness channel. Today we're going to break down the bench press, a fundamental exercise for building strong chest. Let's get started. First, find a flat bench and adjust it so your eyes align with the bar. Now lie down and make sure your feet are flat on the ground. Grip the bar just outside shoulder width with a firm overhand grip. Arch your lower back slightly, squeeze your shoulder blades together and plant your feet firmly. This provides a stable base for the lift. Keep your wrists straight and elbows at a 45-degree angle. Take a deep breath, engage your core and unrack the bar by straightening your arms. Hold the bar directly over your chest with locked elbows. Now, slowly lower the bar to your chest, keeping your elbows at around 45-degree angle. Make sure the bar touches your chest lightly, not bouncing off it. Push through your heels, exhale and extend your arms to lift the bar back to the starting position. Remember to keep your wrists straight throughout the movement. And there you have it, the bench press. Focus on proper form, control, and gradually increase the weight as you get stronger. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time, and keep lifting.